guys, so today I'm going to be showing guys something. Well, it is a surprise. Then to claim this prop, like I'm gonna do it. 3, 2, 3, 2. Why? Stop claiming these props. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I have the new XL washing machine, so I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna put a photo. Okay, as you can see in this picture, this is what it looks like, and I don't know why I'm in the XL washing machine. That's not meant to be happening. And also, I've got a bigger basket. I'll show you how much it can hold. Okay, let's just skip this part. Okay. I'm gonna skip it. And there it is. Our 50 out of 50 basket filled up. So you can tell that this is quite an expensive basket. It doesn't really pick that much, and it doesn't fill up all of them. Okay, let's wait until this finishes. So, this morning I found a weird thing happening. So the clothes actually fell off the conveyor. So the conveyor is actually, this thing. Conveyors actually do this. They like move stuff. Well, the clothes, it was actually on the floor there, as you can see. So let's see how much coins this gives. And anyway, shout out to this dude called Lum55, I think that's the name. I haven't checked, so make sure to subscribe to this guy. Yeah. So where was I? Oh, so this rusty XL washing machine, this gives about like 50k, yeah, 50k coins. So pretty much how I got this is no. You need shiny stuff, yeah, I know. Okay, so pretty much how I got this is, you need, those washing machines, you need like good washing machines. Keep buying good washing machines, then good washing machines will give you more clothes to buy more stuff, and good washing machines give you like more clothes to put in and coins. That's exactly how I got mine. That's how you do it. So then you get 1 million. Then you have to save until 1.12 million. So if you save until that much, then you can afford it. It will say 1.1 million. That's actually 10. So 1.10 million. I don't know why it says that. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. And here is a joke. Make sure to like and subscribe for free banana. Okay, peace out.